One of the ways that our prayers will not be answered is found in Psalm 66:18. This is what it says: "If I had not confessed the sin in my heart, the Lord would not have listened." Psalm 66:18. So you see, if we have iniquity in our hearts, if we plan to do something sinful in our heart, God knows that. God sees that plan, that you plan in your heart to do something evil, to do something sinful. God will not listen to your prayers. And John chapter 9 verse 31 also agrees to what this says. It says this: "We know that God does not listen to sinners, but he listens to the one who worships him and does his will."